I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Today, let's look at McDonald's, Burger King, and Priceline. Last night, Kramer compared Burger King and McDonald's. He said you really can't lose, but you just got to know what you're getting. So let's look at Burger King first. Okay, obviously, hey, guess what? It's a new issue. So let's zoom in. We'll look at, say, the hourly chart. Well, that's not helping a whole bunch because we got a big old swinging thing here on the opening day. Kind of like Facebook, only not as bad. So here we can look at the stock in a 15-minute time frame. It gives you quite a bit more data that you can base a trade off of. And look, when a stock that's this new comes on, you can't really trade the technicals too well. I'm trying to just give you a setup here. You have to like the fundamentals of the company. You got to be a BK guy, right? So this is what I'm seeing. Resistance right here at about 16 bucks because of all the trading that's occurred since this level here, including this big old nasty down day. I think this is a buy if it gets up above 16 bucks. Wait, take a little bit of stock right now if you really like it, that's great. But then if the stock breaks out above 16 bucks, then you take a little bit more, and that's how you ride Burger King. Now, what about McDonald's? Kramer likes this one. It's got a great, nice, big, fat, juicy, no, it's not a burger, it's a dividend yield, 3.2%. Kramer thinks you can't go wrong owning this either. It just depends on what your time frame is. Let's check this out real quick. Weekly chart. You can see you couldn't go wrong back here. The stock, though, peaked. Now it's on its way back. I'm not saying it's going to go all the way down to here. It might. Nobody really knows that for sure except the liars. I'm not one of them. All I know is this. The stock is in a downtrend. As long as it continues to print lower highs and lower lows, I'm staying out of this stock. I will wait. I'm not going to catch the bottom, but I'll wait to see that the stock is making a turn, and that means I need to see a higher high and then a higher low. That's how I trade. That's how I roll. Okay, one more. Let's look at Priceline. Now, Fast Money last night had a trader on Jim Urio who says Priceline's way overvalued. You've got to short this stock. He already is. Can't disagree with him here. If you're bullish on Priceline, you're probably looking at this time frame, or you're already long wishing that you weren't. Overall, the uptrend is still intact if we're looking back over several years. However, this stock has peaked. It's in this short-term consolidation pattern now, and it's up at the top of that range up here. So I think this is a perfectly viable short. Just don't go all in. However, the market's weak now. Priceline down 2.3%, which based on some of the tech stocks and some of these consumer stocks that were down lately, 2.3 is almost like a good thing. So here's the deal. If the stock gets up above 680, that's going to take it above the 50-day moving average. You're going to be in trouble if you're still short then. You can, though, short the stock right now with a tight buy stop right above this 680 level. That's how you can make money on Priceline to the short side. Okay, that's it for today. A couple things. First of all, get over to Real Money Pro and subscribe, okay? There's a lot of great writers over there. I publish articles 4 days a week with 5 charts a day. That's going to give you some good trades. Also, I want you to check out my chart of the day. It's a free service over at stockmarketmentor.com. I send you one charting video a day with a good trade. But also one other thing. Look, if you haven't taken advantage of my free 30-day trial, get over there right now and do that. Again, it's free. Like, in other words, there's really nothing to lose. When are you going to find that this day and age? So get over to stockmarketmentor.com. Take that free 30-day trial, and my bet is you're going to stick around. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll be right back here tomorrow.